Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. President Bola Tinubu don tok am come outside say im go approve new minimum wage wey government go fit afford. President tok dis one yesterday for dinner time to mark Nigeria's 25 years of unbroken democracy for Abuja. Tinubu thank all the pipo wey stand with am gidigba over the years as e promise country pipo say im no go comot from democratic road. President also pledge to bring down the prices of food items as e tackle banditry wey don force many farmers comot from their farm. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. Former campaign spokesperson for President Bola Tinubu for South-East, Dr. Joseph Onon, don knock former Vice President Atiku Abubakar sake of say e sympathize with President as e fall wen e miss im steps inside parade vehicle for 2024 Democracy Day celebration wey happen for Eagle Square, Abuja. Na Atiku write am say im sympathize with President Bola Tinubu on top the incident wey happen as e come ask whether everything dey okay with president. Presidency don already clarify am say Tinubu miss im step as e dey climb the truck on Democracy Day wey happen on June 12. Dis make am fall, but dem say the fall no dey serious because na immediately Tinubu go ahead with the ceremony without issues. But Onon sama Atiku on top im post wey e count as yeye. E tell Atiku say e no matter how person fall, na how e pick up after the fall dey important. E laugh Atiku on top im 2023 presidential election where e lose as candidate from People's Democratic Party (PDP). Na on top X handle Onon tok say no be as we fall matter but as we stand. Like every human being wey dey alive, there's nobody wey no dey fall sometime. Some dey funny, some dey fatal. World leaders sef dey fall but dem go still stand strong. E say e better make person keep standing than to collapse like PDP. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. FCT police don parade 6 suspects wey dey specialized to dey register SIM card with innocent pipo name and sell am to criminals. The suspects name be Ndubisi Oke, John Jok, Nafiu Tijani wey be dispatcher, Nasiru Sulaiman, John Njoku and Sulaiman Musa. When e dey address journalists as e parade the suspects, FCT Commissioner of Police Bennett Igwe say the suspects dey sell the SIM cards to criminals between 3,000 naira to 5,000 naira. E noted say na total of 1,100 registered SIM card, 3 registration machines, 2 fingerprint machine and 1 mobile phone dem recover from the suspects. Igwe say na on May 29, 2024 around 3pm, team of detectives of SID department led by ACP Mohammed S. Baba act on credible intelligence, lure and arrest the 6 suspects. Igwe say dem fit register 4 different numbers with one NIN. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. Nigerian singer David Adeleke aka Davido don confirm im upcoming wedding to his partner Chioma Rowland. According to wetin we hear on Tuesday, Chioma and Davido traditional wedding go take place in Lagos on June 25, 2024. Na inside video dem share on Instagram. Long-time associate of Davido wey base for UK, Pastor Toby Adegboyega, tok say the excited groom-to-be don invite im friends to join am for the celebration. Na inside the same video dem hear Davido dey tok say, "Guys, you have to come to Nigeria on 25th of June for my wedding." Dis one dey happen after dis couple welcome twins baby last year wey follow the tragic incident where dem lose their first child, Ifeanyi, for year 2022. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. Media personality Denrele Edun don celebrate im 43 years birthday in style with different fashion photo for Instagram. Na there e describe himself as fierce, feisty, funky, fearless. flawless and fab as e joke say im be recycled teenager. E say level 43 don unlock, creating im own sunshine. Happy 43rd to Adenrele Olufemi Adeyemi Edun. Love wey no go end, bonds with beauty no lens can contain. Recycled teenager Lomo say a wonderful prayer for me. Dis further tori dey inside The Nation. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.